Welcome to USMLE Tips and Tricks. Let's see what tricks and tips we have for today. One of the doctors asked how to use the time effectively, 5 to 6 minutes, for doing a complete focused physical exam in the CS. To do a 5 to 6 minute exam, you have to have it really well choreographed. And remember, this is a focus exam. A lot of doctors fail because they do a head-to-toe exam and they're checking areas that are not related to the problem. Remember, when they come in and they complain of stomach pain, you should start at the stomach. If they complain of lung pain or respiratory symptoms, start at the lung. Don't go and look in the ears, check the throat. That would be what we normally do. But in USMLE, you don't have time. So go directly to the complaint part first. However, if they're complaining of drinking, then you better check the stomach before you finish. So check the affected area first, and then do the areas that you might have found that would be pertinent to this case. For example, I have arthritis, severe arthritis, but I will check his joints. But I'll look in his mouth for Behçet syndrome. I'll look for ulcers. I'll look for different things. So it shows the SP that you know what you're doing. Always check the problem first, and don't waste time listening to the lungs or the heart if it's not related to the focused history, okay? Because that's where a lot of doctors waste time. They start listening to the lung, and it has nothing to do with the ankle sprain that the patient is coming in for. So don't waste time with that. That'll help you, okay? Okay, so that's a really good way of doing the exam. All right, I'm going to go to the next question.